It says you were in Scrubs. Where are you coming from?
Hospital,
For what?
meth-induced psychosis, prison. I went from Marine, firefighter, paramedic to prison for 12 years. I mean, I know my life went the wrong way and it's all behind drugs.
You are watching the Justice Chamber. Like it, subscribe it, and share.
You received all the discovery. Did you review it with your client?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Ingram, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Saying you're charged with kidnapping, that's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 3 years in the prison, and there are no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea?
That is, sir.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State, any evidence?
Your Honor, I offer State's Exhibit 1 in the attachments.
Any objection?
No objections, Your Honor.
And state, have you spoken with the complainant?
Yes, Your Honor, our victim advocate has, Your Honor.
All right.
Judge, we had talked with the complainant previously.
All right, thank you. Reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, sir.
All right, what's your issue? Why are you doing this? I mean, it says you were in Scrubs. Where are you coming from?
Hospital,
For what?
meth-induced psychosis.
Oh, okay. All right, court will find you guilty, sentence you to 3 years in the prison. Do you have any children?
No, ma'am.
You credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with Robert Betts. And is there any restitution to Mr. Betts?
No, Your Honor.
All right, is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. There are so many things that could have gone wrong with that scenario. Like that person could have been driving the Amazon van and just scraped you off of a side of a wall and gone about his business. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And I understand sometimes the tattoo thing that's happening, that's prison stuff. But if you plan on doing anything with your life of value where people don't judge you by your tattoos, you better change those tattoos and change yourself internally. You understand?
Yes, ma'am. I've given my life to God. I've changed my life. I have testimony that I've given to people in prison. I went from Marine, firefighter, paramedic to prison for 12 years. I mean, I know my life went the wrong way and it's all behind drugs.
All right. And what's on the side of your cheek there?
It's getting
See?
removed. I mean, I'm judged. I know.
Yeah. All right. Well, good luck to you. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. For CR 4292, State of Texas versus April Marie Sanchez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Defense.
Peter Calderola from the Sanchez, Your Honor.
And are you Miss Sanchez?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram? That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 16 months in the state jail facility, and there are no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
Defense?
Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no
No
contest?
contest.
State, any evidence?
State office exhibit 1 and all attachments.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
State, you may continue to confer. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
None of this.
All right. So she was reporting for what? For pretrial services?
Will be reported for parole, Your Honor.
All right. So you go to parole with drugs? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So how often are you using?
Other than using that,
Then why do you have drugs in your pocket?
because I had it on me.
You're here for drugs. And in the true bill of indictment, the enhancement that was waived was another drug case. So here's the thing. You're habitual. Really, the range of punishment for habitual for this offense is 2 to 20 years in prison. The state agreed to waive that. and proceed on this as a state jail felony. So it appears to the court that you have a drug or alcohol problem. You can do one of two things. One, you can keep playing this game where you're in and out of prison. At some point in time, you're going to use somebody's drugs. They're not going to be good. They may be bad drugs, and you may end up dying. That's just the cold hard facts. Or you may end up spending the rest of your life in prison. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So here are your choices. One, I'm going to follow through with the 18 months. I can recommend you for the therapeutic community. The therapeutic community doesn't increase your time at the state jail facility. If you're there for 18 months, the therapeutic community is not going to keep you because you have not completed their program, but maybe it's something that could possibly help you. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So would you like the therapeutic community?
Yes, ma'am.
No, I'm sorry, just to clarify for the record, it was 16 months and not 18.
I'm
right?
sorry, 16 months.
Thank you.
Thank you. And do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am.
What are their ages?
2, 4, 7, and 13.
Right. And who are they with now?
With foster care.
And Child Protective Services is in your life right now, or have you signed the rights away?
My family member hasn't.
All right. All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to find you guilty, sentence you to 16 months in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. I'm going to order the therapeutic community, and there's to be no contact with minors. Go off the record. So here's the thing. Nobody, like your family members who have your children, they just probably intended to be babysitters. They didn't want to take on more children. If you're going to continue the way you're doing, you need to probably consider not having more children. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Or making sure that if you're going to continue in certain activities, that you don't become pregnant because you're not taking care of any of your children and it's not good for them.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you, okay? And when you get out, if you need help finding a place for treatment, you can always come back here, okay?
Okay.
All right, good luck.
In this Texas criminal case, 2024 CR 4061, State of Texas v. David Ingram, the defendant appeared before the court to enter a negotiated guilty plea to a third-degree felony charge of kidnapping. The proceeding followed a standard plea colloquy in which the judge ensured that the defendant understood the charge, the full range of punishment, 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine, and the constitutional rights being waived by accepting a plea agreement. During the hearing, the defendant confirmed that he had reviewed the indictment, discussed the case thoroughly with his attorney, and understood both the evidence and the plea bargain terms. He also acknowledged that he was voluntarily giving up his rights to a jury trial, to confront and cross-examine witnesses, and to remain silent. The court further verified that no threats, coercion, or improper promises influenced the decision to plead guilty. The state proceeded under a stipulation-based presentation of evidence, relying on written materials rather than live testimony. After reviewing the submitted exhibits, the court found sufficient evidence to support the charge and formally adjudicated the defendant guilty. At sentencing, the judge imposed a 3-year prison term in accordance with the plea agreement, along with credit for time served and a no-contact order regarding the complainant. The defendant was also advised of a loss of firearm rights due to the felony conviction and informed that appeal rights were waived as part of the plea bargain. Toward the end of the hearing, the defendant referenced substance-related mental health issues, including meth psychosis, which the judge acknowledged but did not